Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the Nipit on JASMY. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of JASMY was stuck inside in another down channel after more than 2000% rally. And this was my one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame, and this is the channel, you can see that the price of JASMY is moving inside this channel since after 8th of December 2024. We got rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, another rejection here. Then we had another bounce, rejection, bounce, and now after this bounce, for the past several days, the price and is trying to break out this uptrend line resistance. You can see that while moving to the downside, we have lost this very significant uptrend line support that is now flipped into resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support is coming from the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that so far from this to here, it has rallied more than 2,069%, but so far the price and could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And in today's video, we will also discuss that target as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for JASMY that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for JASMY that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And that was a bullish garlic pattern that JASMY formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. The buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell targets on here. And if you would like to catch each of the pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of JASMY, and first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days of weeks, since after 8th of December, it is moving inside this down channel. And now, after getting bounced on the support of the channel for the past several days, it is trying to break out this uptrend line resistance. That was, in fact, a very strong long-term support. And now, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that previously here in the month of October 2023, it was breaking a support. We had a bounce here, another bounce here in the month of January 2024. And this was the last bounce that was happening here in the first week of November 2024, where the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance on that start from 5 cents and goes to 6.1 cents. That is a very strong and long-term key resistance on that has been previously working as a support zone here, resistance on here, almost as a resistance on here. And recently the price and was once again rejected by this resistance on. And after this rejection, now finally we have broken down this very long-term up trend line support that is now flipped into a resistance. And you can see that for the past several days, it is getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance again and again. Now, this time, if the price and breaks out this uptrend line resistance and hits the resistance of the channel, and it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at 2.9 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. Again, here at 5 cents, where we have a very long-term resistance on from 5 cents to 6.1 cents. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.